kitum na tum bergazi ambor nyem to heaven. Come on how? Wula kenyavenya adanka yetum la 247. Come on.
Exercise books and textbooks for the academic year nursery 3.95 series, 395 series, 3.5 million Ghana series, and we have like class 2 we have 695 series, 6.950 umbrella, and they won't allow you to buy from outside. Them better buy can send the can on that marabaka na Kaman how programs or abu no programs or young pa ka bu no kum yero ton na ko banu bon no pa pion fast o la nyele bi kale bo no be cheka kum la nyele ka ton na be cheka bi hanaba na dan apandu at bi debga ka bo no ma kum na anyela new to this channel tema subscribe ma ka tete bele also contents yan kan nye ben nyara pilgu ya ka so kam na nyele disclaimer for educational purpose only yare interso telling them just for educational purpose wula Kaman how can when we are talking about academic year kana na alanyong kabia every father is crying, is yelling for school fees. Mabe muswel nama aipa muswel nama mabe northerners be mabe Ghanaians. Why are we so wicked? Remember, like aside be a sector in your school ma carbon na squeeze shape out of it ma lala nyale ka I could deal la orma nda pun yele te abon ngobre lore ay chante da lor be moto be ka miye di hadi ba pa an chante da bandirabo lala nyale ka so gben squeeze animane, but here is the case northern region illiteracy rate da pun biela high, very biela high, and this is one of the activities ben nang da karen check illiteracy rate kama karan raise pa because shukur chang den yen yang la nerwa pam, especially like primary and nursery students. Like this time like ben nang shukur ma ye to ashele kama ben to bol bi yinga expenses taka hankal ku to dele karnya la ben to am nang le shama I am bound it is intentionally like you wrote the books, isabla books ma kal listle mboar na bima zan buku shanga mboham karama mta da gul kam dembe duniya ya ngazo. The window shopping kayen nang you find different prices and you cut your coat according to a size ka chante da ayana to nyang shell. But why is it that this time the zamia ben sabuku shanga ma nenye parents won akayiko na dale sambane bon boarbe ya shama ya akai ko na dal sambane problem ma you see ka ya a chan shukuro maybe to books then the maria, but right now ben to sab ben yaramata ka toilet roll biane this part like them part this time be tamale my first time bala kan ye shukuro ka zan bi chan ha ka ba da sona zalan kwahara, so the goram ya like the be ma ba mama welfare be go mari kabman te pa business aspect man because on la schools man le vendor ben yarabe supermarket you go there bi man high torche bia ba high shop dala namda na no socks na ka no compulsory that the children should wear black and white socks. You are not buying it outside. Didn't problem high long nyela ala million you give the parents chance to cut their coat to besides ben no to dal share one thing nan kan kanate nan the video ma on witness element nzang la be chan shukuro ka masters ma men sotem ma ta karanyela ya simple ka teacher nyo but o mala bookshop ndo business yeah unkuto my bookshop kim war bu shanga ma za biran karaza compulsory that untum ya la ara shukurman, because the most important thing is to provide the child the necessary materials ko my book shongo yen zankarma then not very important. But here is the case ka this year ha mala bookshop don okay da be ka MP books ma from o shop karjia no you are not buying it from outside. Mituala anta jima ba jena sa jima ko bi oda pa kanatezan slip to ko yarfu ko ma to akabi ma ya ne bi ya na ba dal shukura ka dal na chef bi an karama lafse. Which can life be this? Nta I'm one of the people banzabra teacher num so pam because mbanya la teacher kan banamin on classroom kama dapsa shamla sabo kam mark papers. So I've gone through kami ben sharam be teacher telling like ne behma iba shokuro. I am bound the teachers ma bok bound of ma she nezer behma kindergarten behma mba shokuro 1 week. Oh, I am bound no teachers ba like I'm bound ben years of poor bill. But that doesn't give you the chance. Sorry, can you say well when he's nearby? Karza compulsory that behma books ma she del school man. We don't like to understand it. Travel mire, there via betia. Maybe to find the common problem ya. So many bookshop ka yele empty from my shop. And to be my be nera chang to polish am. Be my jila books man from outside kaba karba. Kaba bama kana kotia Zala even me ma kan kwa book. So does it necessarily mean that compulsory sharing za ni she ndal school man ya army yina. So pa solo academic purpose like unwama kabe nan ka shukur nyan nirba pam. The literary rate ma the nyala low. Illiteracy ma ngalse. So ka try na te net man nyen karlanjia ya ayen nan sham te chan shukur ma is very expensive. So it's automatically telling you that but like educated people man limited, so that like Ghana will continue to be corrupt, because this is where it starts from. 10-year politicians this is where it starts from. Because Bema witness here kinang the near wicked. Kazan social then can corruption man appear and back keep even non corrupt in the school. So corrupt teachers here and trainer baby and train la corrupt leaders, captain leader country. Keep me benjiri partial. Think can I come and how programs on the me conchete la schools, my special private schools ma then die nang the government schools today. Panya solo. It is not necessary that give the parents chance. Igba mi samban man no tulish. Di pasharanya teacher ma now agbayir pa teacher I aryan tarla ban man tar shama books ma biane shama bian ba I wum de lar kan ya school man karma lar ma I chang outside the color so kini yema I should not like under nang chipatin tamma under yisamba net dal at a cheap price composer nya shen kana te dal I higher price ma wula ki pa mbo na te nang tamang fumfong. So tell me how come 30 years na government lab na to know like how whether to know non composer ko will do so schools man is ma kan market mba ka supermarket na ka bookshops nyale. So they shouldn't turn the schools to marketing place. Antonia ba I chang man like bena value in be man zanga je chang bena value ga be ma ba mama academic purpose be pia o ben yara anto chang 20000 kama SS ba anto yi kama kana zanga bin yara sign be ka bina kana bin yan necessary things sha ko te system man de yara bo tarba on yan shi karante sha min so sha na ka kwa ma nyele. It shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be so. Kaman how programs or Yusuf Abu Turzon. When your producers on the program Kabiru Jato and one za camera nyanga karpara. Abdul Basit Kuchire Akolana as always. If you are new to our channel, temeka subscribe ka the bell and your new contents anytime ka to drop it. Peace out.
Kaman how? Wula kenye vinya adanka yetum la 247.